Okay, Manny, show us your best pose. Come on. Is this it? This is it.
That's all.
How was that burger, Rob?
Excellent. Hey, Steve. How's it going?
Good. Just doing a little, surveillance.
Yep, that's good.
Here's Dave, enjoying himself.
How's it going?
Rob Road,
started eating
Truck
yet.
Rodeo, 2013.
Oh, yeah. How'd you do?
Hey, Dave.
Steve?
Enjoying yourself as usual?
Absolutely. Nothing like slaving over a hot barbecue in July.
Fun balloon face painting. Oh, let's check out that face painting. Wow, that is awesome. Oh, you got one too. Oh, wow. What's that guy called? That's right. Where's Dad's face painting? Or did you get the beard painted on there?
Yeah, I got the beard painted on.
Right on.
Extra gray.
Hot dogs going.
And then there's me.
Oh yeah, then there's you. Yeah, well, we've seen enough of you.
We have.
Oh, I eat you. I just don't eat bread.
My carrot doesn't eat chicken. Hi.
I need a short stick. Refereeing.
Enjoying yourself, Jay?
Absolutely, sir. Put your shoes on, okay? We gotta walk.
Everybody enjoying stuff? Yeah.
That's one of those
GoPros. Oops, sorry.
Where did you put it?
Put what?
I didn't see it by the front door. Did you put it somewhere else?
It's on the window.
Are you kidding me? How? Yeah!
Oh, seriously.
Two shots. I like that edited out.
All right, let's rock this thing. Oh, geez.
There you go.
Yeah, that. 17, boys. I suck! I suck! I suck! I totally suck! Adam's here. Collins Manufacturing. Ravens Mobile Pressure Washing, Trailer Wizards, and West Coast Fishing Club. And of course, a big thank you to Penske. They're our primary sponsor with the event, and they've given us nothing but support for this. So, big hand for all the sponsors. So, I'm going to call out names, and the last three will be in order, but everybody else's name is random, okay? So what's going to happen, I'm going to call out the third place, the second place, and the first place, and they're going to come up and get their trophy and their prize. They get first pick, and then those names that weren't called come on up, and then there's another prize as well for you after that, and we'll just do you as a group. Okay? Everybody good?
Yep.
All right, so third place in the 2013, after 6 years of not having a rodeo, was Darren Kemp. Woo! So if you just want to wait here, Darren, you go ahead and give this trophy. This one here. Did you draw this one here? And then we'll do the prize after the third place. And the cup. Second place. Second place for this year was Sean Murphy. The difference between the two of you was only 5 points.
Oh, yeah.
I mean,
Good job.
I haven't seen any
And then first place for the 2013 rodeo, who was 80 points ahead. 80? Dave Goodfellow. Good job. Nice.
There goes another kick in.
Stand the cup over your head, buddy.
Broken eggs again.
All right.
So come through and then whatever prize pack you want.
You realize we have to deal with the ego now.
Okay, so the rest of the drivers that participated, if they could come up.
White spot gift card. We got fancy pen. Notepad. Scoop. Hat. It's a shirt of some sort. Tommy Hilfiger.
Dad, can you?
I'll take it out home.
Dad, Dad.
Okay, let's find what I got.
Dad. Seriously?
You were tied with Darren. It was just a time elimination. So his time was a little bit better than yours.
Oh!
What is the time?
No, that's total points.
Total points.
Yeah.
I came fourth.
This is your placing right there.
Yeah.
That's nuts.
Really on the floor. I can't.